it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that y'all are having a lovely day. Sorry, Crystal, that it's taken me a little bit to upload this video. I had gone through the second part of my procedure, so please forgive me. But this happy mail comes from Crystal Rose here on YouTube, also known as Vividly on Paper. She had just recently changed her channel name, and y'all can also go and support her not only on her channel, but she also has an Etsy and she sells absolutely gorgeous, stunning items. So definitely go check her out. Crystal, thank you so much for having put this together. I'm so very excited to have these beautiful winnings, and also praise God for these wonderful goodies. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what we got. So her and her hubby have this cute little inside joke where they refer to each other like they're honey buns. And she decided to make a cute little thing for Valentine's Day, basically based on that little cute story with her and her hubby. I thought it was kind of cute, so we had a comment in her video, honey buns, which I thought was super adorbs, because me and my hubby have our little inside jokes as well. And she says her hubby calls her a cinnamon roll, because when she rolls herself up in a little blanket and her head is the only thing that's like popping out, he says that she looks like that. So that was kind of cute. Oh my god! Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Check that out, you guys. Y'all see the bling on this cutie? That is so cute. Let me read the note inside. It says, Happy Valentine's Day, honey bun. Hi, BB. I hope you like everything. Girl, I'm not going to like it. I'm going to love it. Wishing you and your family a sweet Valentine's. XOXO. Crystal Rose. She's so cool, you guys. You'll definitely have to go check her out. I always get a kick out of her videos. Let me get a sip of this coffee here. I've waited till 1 to have my coffee. Why? Because McDonald's won this one this time. Oh my god, Crystal. Look, Paul. Look at the shaker, baby. She made a Hershey's Kiss shaker. She made 2 of them, actually. She made a dark chocolate one. And the other one is like a milk chocolate, the one that Paul has. Show the camera, Paul. Show him that one. Right here. Right here. And then shake it. Can you shake it? There you go. Isn't that cute? One for me and one for you, Bubs. How cute is that? She did a lovely job with those die cuts. Oh my gosh.
Hey, Mama.
Yes?
They get back together.
They are together. Yes, they are. He's tying the little string from the Hershey's Kiss. Yeah. How cute. And look, she made these little booklets here. I guess for you to like journal in. She just recently started making junk journals, and for having just be a beginner, my gosh, she's doing excellent. She's doing amazing. Look at that. How cute are those? So we could be twinning. And
cool,
this,
Mama.
I know it. She did amazing. Isn't this cute? Look at that. Wow.
Look.
Yeah, she packaged this so beautifully.
Look.
It's a pen, so you can write. You want to write something? Okay, let me get you some paper. Here you go. Here's some paper. Let me move my coffee out of the way so he don't get burnt. Here, you can write right here. No, don't break it. He's trying to, he thinks that it's a lid or something. We gotta twist it, just like that. Check out this beautiful pen, you guys. Look at this.
I want to eat that, Mama.
I love the beads. You want to eat it? Sure. Here, look, you can write something. Can you draw a heart? She gave us a cute little sucker. It says Happy Valentine's. I'll give it to Paul. Oh, Bubs, that's beautiful. Good job.
I know my heart.
You did a good heart. I see it. I can see your heart. Look how pretty. You want to taste it? Taste it. What's it taste like? What's it taste like?
Sweet strawberry.
Strawberry? It's good, huh? I didn't get a chance to show y'all these. Paul took off with them. They're gorgeous. Oh my goodness. All right, let's take a look at this little die cut that she used here, and it forms a little box. And she's curated these cute little hearts to use for embellishing. Sorry. But look at this cute little cup of coffee. I love coffee. Oh, look. What a gorgeous little dangle. Paul's over here dissecting the Happy Meal. Cuteness overload. Oh my goodness. I love it. Love it, love it. Makes for a cute little tag. And this comes off. So I could put that incorporated into something. Precious. How cute. And then she put this little felt heart on here with some more Hershey's Kisses. And this cute little clip here. I can't remember. Paper clip with this epoxy, I guess. Little epoxy heart. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying that right. And this cute little pin. Such a simple little craft here, but that is a cute way to embellish. Love it. Goodness, Crystal, this took a lot of work, my dear. Goodness me. But I'm so glad and happy to have my first Crystal Rose original. This is so gorgeous, girl. You did a marvelous job. Even Paul thinks you did a gorgeous job. Thank you so, so much. I hope you and your hubby have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And happy Valentine's Day to all my wonderful subbies as well. Y'all have fun. Y'all behave out there. All right, you guys. Thank you, Crystal. Hugs and kisses to you as well, my dear. I don't know what else to say. I'm lost for words. This is so cute. I cannot wait to put these into my journal. And I hope y'all have a lovely rest of y'all's day. Bye, guys. My friend Crystal gave that to me. You want to tell her thank you? You want to say thank you, Crystal?
Thank you, Crystal. Thank you for this heart.
You tell her you love it?
I love it.
Very good. Yeah. Oh, sorry.